So if you're ready to begin, we're going to count down, starting at 10, taking that first step down.
And the test is only about 15 minutes, so that's one mistake per minute. It's almost impossible to do. Most people fail because they've done something illegal, not because they made a few mistakes. So I'll start you now. Do you want the radio down a little bit, or?
Sure.
How's that? Is that okay? All right, so we'll start. We'll back it out of the space and we'll head to the end of the building over there.
Okay.
And with each step you take, you're going to feel deeper and deeper relaxed. 9. Stepping down and going deeper, deeper into hypnosis. 8. 7. Going deeper still. 6. Stepping down and down to number 5. Feeling calm.
At the end of the building, left turn, please.
More relaxed and deeper in hypnosis. 4. Stepping down to 3.
At the roadway, right turn.
And now peacefully down to number 2. And taking the final step. 1. As you reach your deepest state of relaxation.
Speed limit on LaSalle is 50 kilometers an hour.
Now I want you to imagine that in front of you, you can see a door.
When we get across this intersection here, left lane change.
And this door is of a colour that you associate with peace.
At the traffic lights ahead, left turn, please.
Calm and tranquility. So what colour will that be? And just see that door in front of you. I'd like you to open the door now and step into a room beyond the door. And in this room, all of the floor and the walls and the ceiling is of the same colour as the door you just stepped past.